Founded in 2008, Shenzhen Haodexing Electronic Technology Company Limited achieved the certificates of Chinese High-Tech Enterprises and Shenzhen High-Tech Enterprises. The company specializes in mobile payment terminal, smart POS, intelligent cash register, bus mobile payment system, highway mobile payment system, visitor registration terminal, identity and access management, lottery terminal, vending machine, and the R&D of Internet Information Technology products. We established a modern manufacturing center in Pingshan district of Shenzhen City, which is equipped with large-scale SMT processing, PCBA post-welding test, end product assembly, and street quality control system. We offer one-stop service that is from product definition, product development to PCBA manufacturing and product ODM. We have 300 customers from 20 countries and they benefit from our advantages. First, we have an industry-leading technology accumulation in the fields of cash register and intelligent POS. 2. We have a new manufacturing plant of 7,000 square meters, brand new modern office building, and advanced manufacturing facilities and testing equipment. 3. We have SMT production line and the assembly line, so we have strong production ability to guarantee the quality and the capability. 4. Strong R&D team. We have the strong research and development team and provide the case and frame design service and OEM and ODM service. Welcome to contact us. Thank you.